Are you paying attention when you're speaking? Are you actually reading the room? Reading the room is a really key skill for any presenter. You need to be able to keep an eye, and probably an ear as well, on what your audience are doing. What are they thinking? How are they responding or reacting? How are they behaving? Reading room is about taking the temperature, literally sometimes as well as metaphorically, and checking in with your audience. Watch, obviously, for body language. That's often the easiest way to spot when you're losing an audience. Eye lines start to drift. People start looking at their phones. If you start getting nodding heads, then you know you really have got to change something. Because reading the room isn't just about being aware of what's happening, it's doing something about it. If you think you're losing an audience, if you think they're drifting, and they do drift, even the best speaker will have had this sometimes. Sometimes they're tired, they're hungry, they're hot, whatever reason. Audiences do drift. You've got to be aware of it. You'll notice it. You can sort of almost hear it in the room. People start shifting in their seats. You've got to do something about it. I would say if you can see your audience or feel your audience drifting, go to some interaction. It can be as simple as those dreaded words. Turn to the person next to you and just tell them about something relevant to this topic. Or show of hands, who's done this? Or show of hands if this is relevant to you and you think you can use this in your job. Just a little bit of interaction can be enough to bring it back. But reading the room is a really important skill, and you can often tell presenters who can't do it because they're just in their head. They're not actually in the room. They're not in the moment. They're not listening. They're not watching. It's purely about them, their script, maybe their slides. So reading room is a skill that will take a while to develop, but it's actually an important one. And your audience will really love you for it. If you can pick up that they are uncomfortable, they're tired, they're hot, whatever it is, or they're bored, and do something about it, they'll notice. They'll notice and they'll appreciate you for it. So read the room. Watch, listen, respond, and react, and do something about it.